let's get into the gritty of making these visual metaphors. And it all starts with clarifying the stuff in your head. So we take what we got, we start sifting out and getting to one message, clarifying to get to that one nugget of an idea. Then we take that idea and we push it through, and we take that message and we remove complexity, and we remove as much as we can as far as complexity goes, whether that's excess words, distracting details on the image, the complexity of the words, thinking about the reading level of the word. And we get that down to the form that it's clarified and it's simplified. But we're not done. We have one last step, and it's the most important. Boom! We amplify it with some emotion and curiosity. And that's my favorite step. So let's dive a little deeper. Okay, so